On AU Techverse, we're revealing 20 power tools on Amazon that are quietly redefining how woodworking will be done in 2026. These aren't hype tools. They solve real workshop problems, and every single product featured has its official Amazon link waiting for you in the description. If you want cleaner cuts, smarter setups, and tools that actually change how you build, don't skip this. This list raises the bar. Kreg K4 Pocket Hole Jig Clamp Bundle. Strong joinery often comes down to how accurately parts are held during drilling, and that's where this Kreg K4 bundle shines. In real woodworking projects like cabinets or face frames, the jig and clamp work together to keep boards perfectly aligned while pocket holes are drilled. This reduces shifting, improves screw placement, and saves time during assembly. The adjustable drill guide adapts to different material thicknesses, making it practical for a wide range of builds. If you want repeatable, clean pocket hole joints without frustration, this bundle delivers dependable accuracy where it matters most. Kreg R3 Jr. Pocket Hole Jig. When you need pocket hole joinery but don't have space for a full jig setup, the Kreg R3 Jr. becomes a smart solution. In real workshop situations like quick repairs, on-site cabinet work, or tight assemblies, this compact jig clamps directly to the workpiece and drills accurate pocket holes without a bench setup. It's adjustable for different material thicknesses and works with standard pocket hole screws. Easy to carry and fast to set up, it's built for flexibility. If you want reliable pocket hole results anywhere, this jig proves small tools can make a big difference. CIGMAN 200 laser distance measure. Accurate measurements are the foundation of clean woodworking, and this laser distance measure changes how fast that step happens. In real workshop use, it allows you to measure long distances, room dimensions, or panel sizes instantly without stretching a tape across the shop. The digital readout reduces reading errors and speeds up layout planning, especially when working alone. It's useful for shop setup, cabinet planning, and material estimation before a single cut is made. If you want faster, more reliable measurements with less guesswork, this tool delivers precision that directly improves every project. Octina 16. Stud Layout Tool. When you're laying out studs, shelves, or repetitive mounting points, consistency is what keeps everything looking professional. The Octina 16-inch stud layout tool is designed to mark standard spacing quickly and accurately without constant measuring. In real woodworking and shop setup tasks, it helps align wall-mounted cabinets, French cleats, or storage systems with clean, repeatable results. By registering off existing studs or reference points, it reduces layout errors and speeds up planning. If you want faster, more accurate layout work that stays consistent across an entire wall, this tool earns its place immediately. Tongful electric belt. Sander. Surface prep is where projects either stay rough or move toward a clean finish, and an electric belt sander speeds that transition up dramatically. The Tongful electric belt sander is designed for fast material removal on large, flat surfaces like tabletops, doors, or glued panels. In real woodworking use, it helps level uneven joints and remove old finishes far quicker than hand sanding. Controlled passes let you correct mistakes early before moving to finer sanding steps. If you need efficient stock removal without wasting time and effort, this sander delivers real workshop efficiency. Kreg Accu-Cut Track Guide System. Breaking down large sheets accurately is one of the hardest parts of woodworking without a table saw. The Kreg Accu-Cut Track Guide System is designed to turn a standard circular saw into a straight cutting system with clean, repeatable results. In real projects, it's ideal for cutting plywood and MDF panels accurately without wrestling full sheets onto a saw table. The guide helps control tear out and keeps cuts straight from start to finish. If you want table saw-like accuracy with the portability of a circular saw, this system changes how you handle sheet goods. Makita cordless trim router, 18 vari. Edge work is where precision becomes visible, and a cordless trim router gives you full control in those finishing moments. The Makita 18V cordless trim router is designed for edge profiling, laminate trimming, and light dado or groove work without the restriction of a cord. In real woodworking projects, it's especially useful for cabinetry and shelving, where clean edges matter more than heavy cuts. The compact body improves balance and handling during detailed passes. If you want professional-looking edges with better mobility and control, this router delivers clean results right where detail counts most. DeWalt 20V XR Jigsaw DCS T or B. When a project calls for smooth curves or precise interior cutouts, a jigsaw becomes the tool that defines accuracy. The DeWalt 20V XR Jigsaw DCS334B is designed to deliver controlled, straight tracking even during detailed cuts. In real woodworking use, it's ideal for cutting curves in panels, fitting sink cutouts, or shaping custom parts without splintering the surface. The variable speed control helps match the cut to different materials, improving finish quality. If you want clean, predictable jigsaw cuts that reduce rework, this tool brings reliability to every curve you cut. Bosch 16117ES Wood Router Kit. A full-size router is where serious woodworking precision really comes into play, and the Bosch 16117 EVS kit is built exactly for that role. In real workshop use, it handles edge profiles, dados, grooves, and joinery tasks with steady, controlled power. The variable speed motor lets you match the cutting speed to different bits and wood types, which improves cut quality and safety. With both fixed and plunge bases, it adapts to a wide range of projects. If you want one router that grows with your skills and projects, this kit delivers long-term versatility and accuracy. Metabo HPT 36V MultiVolt Track Saw. Cutting sheet goods cleanly and accurately is one of the biggest challenges in woodworking, and this track saw is built to solve that problem. The Metabo HPT 36V MultiVolt track saw is designed to deliver straight, splinter-controlled cuts with the precision you normally expect from a table saw. In real workshop use, it's ideal for breaking down plywood, cabinet panels, and solid wood slabs with confidence. The cordless multi-volt system adds flexibility without sacrificing power. If you want clean, repeatable cuts with professional control, this track saw truly changes how you approach large panels. Triton TTS 1400 Plunge Track Saw. When precision matters more than speed, a plunge track saw becomes a centerpiece of accurate woodworking. The Triton TTS 1400 Plunge Track Saw is designed to make straight, controlled cuts directly on the workpiece, reducing the need to move heavy panels. In real workshop scenarios, it's especially useful for cabinet builds, furniture panels, and clean breakdowns of sheet goods. The plunge action allows you to start cuts exactly where needed, while the track keeps everything aligned from start to finish. If you want repeatable accuracy and cleaner edges without relying on a table saw, this tool delivers dependable control. Craftsman 5. Random Orbit Sander. The difference between an average finish and a professional one usually comes down to sanding quality. The Craftsman 5-inch Random Orbit Sander is designed to smooth surfaces evenly without leaving swirl marks that show up after finishing. In real woodworking projects, it's used for final surface prep on tabletops, cabinets, and panels where consistency matters. The random orbit motion helps remove material while keeping the surface flat and controlled. It's easy to handle for longer sessions without feeling awkward. If you want cleaner finishes with less rework before stain or paint, this sander adds reliability to your process. FastCap 16F ProCarpenter tape. Measure. Accurate measuring is what keeps joints tight and layouts clean, and this tape measure is built with that reality in mind. The FastCap 16-foot ProCarpenter tape measure is designed for real woodworking workflows, with clear markings that are easy to read during fast-paced layout work. In real shop use, it speeds up measuring cabinets, cutting stock, and setting consistent dimensions without second-guessing. The compact size keeps it comfortable on a belt, while the thoughtful design supports precision over guesswork. If you want measurements you can trust every time you mark a cut, this tape delivers practical accuracy. Kreg Precision Miter Gauge System. Perfect miters are what separate clean joinery from gaps you can't unsee, and this system is built to solve that exact problem. The Kreg Precision Miter Gauge System is designed to deliver accurate, repeatable angle cuts on table saws and bandsaws. In real woodworking projects like picture frames, cabinet doors, or trim work, it removes the trial and error that usually comes with angled cuts. The adjustable stops help lock in common angles with confidence. If you want tighter joints and cleaner corners without constant rechecking, this miter gauge brings professional consistency to every angled cut. Tongue and groove router bit set, your Tongful Shank. When you want panels or boards to lock together cleanly, tongue and groove joinery makes a visible difference. This 1.2-inch Shank tongue and groove router bit set is designed to cut matching profiles that align boards accurately and increase glue surface area. In real woodworking projects like tabletops, cabinet backs, or wall panels, it helps keep boards flat and properly aligned during glue-up. Used with a router table or handheld router, the cuts are consistent and repeatable. If you want stronger joints and cleaner panel assemblies, this bit set adds precision that shows in the final build. Precision Miter Trimmer Manual. When small trim pieces need to fit perfectly, even the slightest angle error becomes obvious. A manual precision miter trimmer is designed to fine-tune mitered edges after cutting, especially on small moldings, frames, and decorative trim. In real woodworking use, it allows you to shave tiny amounts of material to close gaps that saws can't always avoid. This level of control is especially useful for picture frames and detailed finish work. If you want tight, clean miters without recutting parts on a saw, this tool delivers accuracy where details matter most. Magnetic featherboard set for table saws. Consistent pressure is what keeps cuts straight and hands safe, and that's exactly what a magnetic featherboard set is built to provide. In real woodworking use, these featherboards lock onto cast iron table saw tops and apply steady pressure against the workpiece as it passes the blade. This helps prevent kickback, reduces vibration, and keeps the cut line clean and controlled. Setup is quick, and adjustments are easy when switching stock sizes. If you want safer cuts with better accuracy during ripping operations, this set quietly improves both control and confidence at the saw. Meter Saw Laser Guide. Attachment. Lining up a cut perfectly on a miter saw can be tricky, especially when you're working fast or cutting expensive material. A miter saw laser guide attachment is designed to project a clear cut line directly onto the workpiece before the blade ever comes down. In real woodworking scenarios, this helps you confirm alignment instantly when cutting trim, framing parts, or repeated angles. It reduces guesswork and wasted material, especially for quick production work. If you want a faster setup with more confidence before every cut, this attachment adds practical accuracy right where it counts. HEPA Workshop Vacuum. Cordless-Compatible. Dust control becomes critical once you start caring about finish quality and long-term shop health. A HEPA workshop vacuum designed for cordless compatibility fits directly into modern woodworking workflows. In real use, it captures fine sawdust from sanders, track saws, and routers before it spreads across the shop. The HEPA filtration helps trap small particles that standard vacuums often miss, which is especially important during sanding and cutting MDF or plywood. Cordless compatibility improves mobility and quick cleanup between tasks. If you want a cleaner workspace and better surface results, this vacuum quietly supports every tool you use. Smart Robotic Shop Vacuum. HEPA. Shop cleanup is one of those tasks everyone delays, and that's exactly why a smart robotic shop vacuum changes the routine. Designed with HEPA filtration, it's built to capture fine dust and debris that settle on floors during cutting and sanding. In real woodworking spaces, it can run automatically while you focus on building, keeping the shop cleaner without stopping your workflow. It's especially useful in small to mid-size workshops where dust builds up quickly. If you want a consistently cleaner shop with less manual effort, this tool quietly handles the mess in the background. If this list helped you discover woodworking tools that can genuinely upgrade how you build, hit like so more makers can find it. Drop a comment and tell us which tool you'd add to your shop next, or what you want us to review after this. And for honest, practical tool breakdowns that actually improve your woodworking, subscribe to AU Techverse, because smarter tools lead to better builds every time.